Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can set up a to-do list in Notion from scratch. So it's very simple. Go to your Notion and from the left panel click the top button that says create a new page. Click this button and a new page will be created into your workspace. So it is untitled, you can name it something as to-do list. That is perfect. Now, in order to create a to-do list, it is a bit of a hassle, and especially if you're a beginner, it'll take a lot of time and it won't look that good either. So there are a couple of really easy ways that can get the job done within seconds. The first way is to use AI. So you get an Ask AI button on the bottom, and there's actually an even better way, and that is using a pre-built template. So in order to create a to-do list from scratch, go to create a new page, name it something like to-do list, then on the bottom you get this template button, click on it and simply search for to do. Here you get a bunch of templates and you can select either one. I'm gonna select this one that says weekly to-do list and simply click add to my workspace, select that desired workspace, and it is duplicating this to-do list into our workspace. So this process makes everything very easy, and as you can see, a weekly to-do list has been created into our Notion. So you get all of your tasks, you can add them here, and this is basically the job done. So this is how you can set up a to-do list in Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.